Isha and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. So today we're going to be creating a really edgy look. And since red is the color of the season, this LFW, I'm going to be creating a look called the Red Rage. This is Simran here and I hope she really likes what I'm going to create for her. So let's get started. I'm going to first just create the points that I have to. So it's just easier for me. Just create a dot there. So I know I don't go beyond these lines. And now I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick. You've created a rough look. I just want to make it look really neat. So I'm going to be using some concealer or some foundation just to clean it up so it looks really sharp. Then I'm just going to powder it with this compact. Then I'm going to be using the Kareena Kapoor Lakme Absolute Lash Definer. Just going to remove all the excess because we don't want our eyebrows looking very dark. We want it to look bushy, not scary. And once again, I'm just going to be cleaning up wherever there's excess product on the forehead. There you go guys, I promised you a sharp edgy look and you have it. I think Simran looks stunning. Please like, share and subscribe and keep watching Be Beautiful. Bye.